Hello again. In this short video, we're going to discuss how you can filter and sort your list of jobs. Now, I'm already logged into the Zuper app, and as you can see, we're looking at the dashboard screen, which we've referred to a couple of times in previous videos. What I want to do, however, is go to a job list. So if I click on the three horizontal bars in the upper left corner, you'll see the menu again, and right now we've got dashboard selected, but I want to see the list of jobs. So I'm going to sort jobs. You can see in the upper right-hand corner, there's a little filter icon. And if I click on that filter icon, it will bring me up the list of capabilities where I can sort and filter. There are 4 predefined filters already. We've got filter by job ID, by priority, by scheduled date and time, and by due date for the jobs. Each one of these you can do either a ascending or descending sort. So right now in job ID, we've got a descending sort selected, as you can see from the small arrow in the left hand. If I apply that filter, I'm going to be looking at all the jobs in descending order according to their job number. So you can see I go from job number 106 at the top to job number 23 or job number 8 at the bottom. Now I can also change that filter. If I go back and I click job ID again, I can now sort in a ascending order. So if I apply that filter, I'll see the oldest job on top rather than the newest job. And you have that same capability with each one of the predefined sort and filter capabilities. But in addition to that, you can also sort in a variety of other ways. So let me pick just a couple of examples. So let's say we want to sort by job category. I can click the category drop down and I'll select facility maintenance in this particular case because I just want to see any jobs that I have that are regarding facility maintenance. So if I click proceed and apply, it will bring me up the only job that is for facility maintenance. You can see that there in the middle of the job display. Now I can go back and clear that as well. And one of the things that I definitely want to point out to you is that when you search by job category, these categories are user definable. So your company will define a list of categories that are relevant to your business. This is just a sample list that we use for demonstration and training purposes. So I'll get out of here and we'll go back now and let's look at how you can also sort by scheduled date and time. So we saw that in a previous video that you have some menu options on the dashboard screen that allow you to sort by various dates. You can do the same thing here in this filter. So if I say I want to see all my jobs from yesterday, I can click yesterday and apply, and it will bring me however many jobs I had scheduled for yesterday. But more importantly, I can also do a custom range. So if I say I want to do a custom range, let's say I want to look from June 5th, first part of this week, and I just want to look through Thursday of this week. So I'll click that date range, and it will bring me up all the jobs. There were 2 of them that were scheduled for Monday through Thursday of this week. Now, as you can see, there are also a variety of other sort options that you can use to filter your jobs, and this gives you a great deal of flexibility in viewing the jobs that have been assigned to you. So thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you next time. Bye.